very good boxer, the Fargo Express, they called him.
What are you
We don't
doing?
actually
I
have
want
footage
to
of
go
the
on, man.
1933 fight between Ross and Petroni, but we
My
do have
eyebrows?
a rematch from a year later.
I feel it's sticking already.
Golden
I'm about to
era
fucking
fighting.
bite.
Anytime we get into that, there's always someone who'll go, no, it's the George Benton method, or something.
This is Adrian. Wait, Michael's getting naked back there.
We need. Can we take the freaking stuff and pull it back over this?
Like what?
It's right there for the hand guard.
Yeah, you can. It's over there. Can you move out of the
Come here,
picture?
Michael.
Adriana, okay. And this is Adriana before. And now you're gonna see the afters. And here is Adriana, and she is Piper. Fall up for here, honey. So pose like that. Ready? Let me snap a picture. Smile, honey. This is Michael before. Now spin. Faster, babe. Okay, this is a Cholo before. Spin, 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 Cholo.
Up. Come on.
Come on, spin.
Get up, man. Get up.
Our carpet is so dirty.
There you go. Walk around.
Turn.
All right, let's get the fun turn.
Okay, that's good try. Good try, oh man. He turned 12 first. If this is gonna
You look beautiful.
Cholo, come on. Cholo, come on, stand up, buddy. Go. Give him a treat. Give him yummies. And this is Cholo after. Good old dog meat. Yeah. We have started this Halloween. Over here we have John Hancock. Baby, wave goodbye. Hello. I mean goodbye. Cholo, who's dog meat, and he's in costume. We have our NCR Ranger, Mike, and then we have Piper, the journalist. And I am the boat dweller. You guys will see my costume in a bit once I hand over the camera to Mike. So on our table we have our bucket full of candy. Here are some mini nukes that I made out of foam footballs, and I cut out these pieces out, and then Adriana glued them and Michael spray painted them for me. We also have the baseball grenades that you guys saw how we did that, and then we have nuka-cola over there just for decoration. Nuka-cola. And Adriana had the genius idea to put blue food coloring with just water, and then these are actual drinks that me and Mike will be drinking later. The bottles, the labels, we just put them off on Pinterest, printed them out, and then just glued them with tape. And then here we have a quest sign with the blue circle. So if you're familiar with the video game, whenever a player goes to request a mission, they always step on a blue thing. Well, not always, right? But not always, but they step on the thing, and so
Just let her be. Continue, babe.
so they, whenever they want a mission, they always go to a certain point of the game and they get assigned a mission. So we have a circle here with their little quest sign because we are going to actually be sending people on a mission. I'll explain that in a little bit. But before that, we have another bucket here and a little X down here. So my son is going to stay with me, and the people that want to dip into the candy bowl had to throw a grenade and make it inside the bucket. They get 3 tries, and if they make it in with 1 ball, then they get to pick their own candy a second time. So they'll get twice the candy from us. Does that make sense? Okay, so now for the quest.
So she's gonna have them come to me, and they're gonna be couriers, and they're gonna come pick up their blood money from me to go return it to the lazy vault dweller.
I'm the
She'll give them.
dweller.
So I hand them a bottle cap. They come back and get a reward from me,
Okay.
from her.
No, I don't like how you explain. Okay, so the mission is that Mike and Adriana are actually going to be trick-or-treating out in the neighborhood because Adriana's still little and she still wants to trick-or-treat. So they'll be out walking the neighborhood, and I'm gonna tell the people that want to come up to the quest, I'm gonna say, hey, your quest is to go find John Hancock, Piper, and Dog Meat, and you're going to tell them that the vault dweller, which is me, demands her payment. Michael's gonna have these bottle caps that I got from Hobby Lobby. These are numbered 1 through 10, and these are numbered 11 through 30. So these are for little kids, and what we have made are these gift bags that have like a night. And this is not a sponsored video, and Pepsi. We still love you, so please don't be offended. But we put Coke, we put popcorn, we put like king size candy, we put chips, we put candy, basically, and like 1 or 2 toys. So basically it entails like a game night or a popcorn a movie night worth of candy in there. And then for the adults, we have a bottle of Coke, some peanuts, and then we have some poison. Whatever they want to use with their Coke. I figured they could make like a shot of Coke or something. So we put like different little bottles of these. And I'm gonna ask the adults if they want to participate. So I have all the 10 adults. I know you guys see a bunch of cords in here, but we have the 10 adult gift bags over there with an extra bag of candy, and then we have the 20 gift bags for the kids that want to participate in the quest. And that's basically what is going to entail our Halloween this year. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to like film. I try to get a stand. Michael's going to have a camera of his own so he could record people that come to him, but we'll see how it works out. Right, babe?
Right.
Anybody want to say anything?
It's hot. I wish it would have cooled down more.
Yeah, it's pretty hot in
The
Ohio.
amount of jackets and stuff I'm wearing makes me hot.
And everybody's wearing hot stuff. Like, we're sweating. Like, literally.
Mom, you
sweating.
got the like coolest jacket.
No, honey, it's hot in the suit. Okay, so let me pass over the camera to Mike so he could show you. I'm the vault dweller.
Here she is, Vault 111.
Mamas, don't kill me.
Don't worry, you're an essential NPC, so you'll just pop right back up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Let's play the music. That's not wanting to play.
So I can show them.
Flies are super bad. Turn it up.
Like a frog now.
Michael's trying out the new camera. Michael's bored over there. And we're just waiting for some trick-or-treaters. Where are you guys? Where are you, trick-or-treaters?
Though I may have done some fooling, this is why I never cried that I let go spells. That jingle, 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 that jingle, jangle, as I go riding merrily along.
Okay, so we've seen a few trick-or-treaters. Only 2 people? I've told a few people, but nobody really knows about the quest. Like, what's going on? I don't know. Maybe this isn't working out like we planned. Right, babe? So, we'll see. We'll see. Have a seat, baby. Nobody's coming. Not yet, anyways. Little Miss Piper's back with me. Guys, our questing, it's not working out. Like, not a lot of people know about the quest. Or to come to the, you know, maybe we didn't set up this idea correctly, did we?
No, this is why I suggested you had other quests.
I know. And it's getting dark. It's getting dark and I can't film everybody. And I don't want to film like little kids because I don't know how their parents are going to feel. So we're going to leave you here. Happy Halloween to everybody. See you next year.